This simplified map shows the locations of the larger oil fields in the area, which are shown as irregularly shaped solid black blotches. The largest of these, and perhaps the most important place you've never heard of, is Ghawar. Not only is it the world's largest oil field in a physical sense, it's also supplied about 65% of KSA production to date, 6% of world production to date, and 6% of current global production, all from that little sliver in the middle of the Arabian desert. And by the way, as a reminder, note how basically all of this oil production can only be economically exported through the Strait of Hormuz. Why is petroleum distribution so non-random? It's a set of fortuitous geological circumstances that are responsible. This slide shows three reconstructions of the global geography in the past. At top left, about 125 million years ago, the sediments that ultimately produced the oil of the Middle East were laid down in warm tropical environments along the margins of southern Asia and northwestern Africa in what geologists kind of posthumously call the Tethys Ocean. By about 65 million years ago, the Tethys Ocean between Asia and Africa had mostly disappeared as the continental masses moved closer to one another. Subduction zones were involved, and then the continents collided. The collision continued until, by about 35 million years ago, the relative positions of the modern Middle East had been established. The petroleum-bearing sedimentary rocks were twisted and broken up during that collision, trapping the oil that otherwise would have naturally oozed up to Earth's surface. Similar kinds of sedimentary rocks undoubtedly were deposited many times in Earth history in other parts of the world, but most of them weren't preserved, simply due to luck of the geological cards.